Data visualization in Excel is as simple as ABC, even to a newbie. Microsoft Excel makes creating charts easy and straightforward so long as your data is properly organized. The key steps involve selecting the data you want to visualize, and then choosing an appropriate chart type. In this lesson, you'll learn the ABC of creating charts in Excel. Preparing your data for charting. Organize your data. Ensure your data is in a clear tabular format. Your data should be organized in columns and rows with column headers and row labels as shown in the table. Select data range. Carefully identify and select all the data, including column headers and row labels, that you want to include in your chart. This allows Excel to correctly identify your series and categories. Avoid blank rows and columns. Ensure there are no empty rows or columns within your selected data range, as this may confuse Excel's charting engine. Steps to create a chart. Microsoft Excel offers two primary ways to create a chart. They include using recommended charts or by selecting a specific chart type directly. Method 1. Using recommended charts. This method is recommended for beginners and for MOS certification exams. The recommended charts feature intelligently suggests the most suitable chart types for your selected data, making it easy for you to choose. To use this method, follow these steps. 1. Select the data you want to chart, including any headers and labels. 2. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. 3. In the Charts group, click on Recommended Charts. 4. The Insert Chart dialog box will appear, showing various suggested charts that will suit your selected data. 5. Review the suggested charts by clicking on them one after the other to preview how each represents your data. 6. After a careful scrutiny, select the chart that best represents your data's story. 7. Click OK. The selected chart will be inserted directly into your worksheet. Method 2. Selecting a specific chart type directly. Now, if you know the exact chart type that will perfectly represent your data, you may not need to use Method 1. Simply select the type of chart you want directly. To use this method, follow these steps. 1. Select the data you want to chart, including column headers and row labels. 2. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. 3. In the Charts group, click the icon for your desired chart type, e.g., column chart, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, etc. 4. From the drop-down list, select a specific chart subtype, e.g., 2D column chart, 3D pie chart, etc. The selected chart will be inserted into your worksheet. You can see that creating basic charts to represent your data in Excel is a straightforward task. With this knowledge in your basket, you need to know how to customize your charts. This we'll tackle in the next lesson.